Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 14 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem number 1534. Count good triplets. Let's read the problem statement first. We have given an array of integers and three integers a, b and c. You need to find the number of good triplets. Okay, a triplet array of I, the element at j index in the array, the element at k index in the array. Okay, a triplet array of I, array of j, array of k is good if the following conditions are true. So first of all, I index, it should be less than j index, and j index should be less than k. Okay, so first we have to pick the element at I, j and k, and we have to make sure that the index I, it should be less than j, and the j index that we are going to pick, it should be less than k. Okay, and all these indexes are ranging in between 0 to array dot length, right? And after that, array of I minus array of j, okay, absolute difference among them, it should be less than equal to a. Array of j minus array of k, okay, the absolute difference among them should be less than equal to b. And same way, array of I minus array of k, the absolute difference among them, but it should be less than equal to c. Okay, where this x denotes the absolute value of x. We have to return the number of good triplets. Okay, so now see this example. So here this 3 is at 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index. Okay, so a value is 7, b is 2 and c is 3. Okay, so here in this you see we are picking 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so here if you see the difference among these two, okay, so 3 is the difference. So 3 is here, see this 3 is a difference, right? It is less than equal to a, so this condition is satisfied. Same way, after that, array of j minus array of k, so here among them difference is 1 and this 1 is less than this, less than equal to. Okay, and here c is equal to 3, so here 3 and 1 difference is 2 and 2 is less than equal to 3, so this is valid. Okay, this is good triplet. Same way, all these are good triplets, right? So here we are picking, let's suppose 0, 1 and 3 index element. Okay, and here we are picking 0, let's suppose, and 2, okay, and 3. All right, and here here if you see, here we are picking 1, okay, here we are picking 2 and 3. Okay, so these are the 4 good triplets, so that is why output is 4. Okay, so this problem is very simple, just whatever they have mentioned, we have to do all these things, right? The absolute difference should be less than equal to a, less than equal to b, less than equal to c, and we have to make sure that I should be less than j, j is less than k. Okay, so whatever is given, we have to do the same thing, okay, step by step. So let's write the code. Okay, it's very easy, nothing complex in this problem. So what you need to do, first of all, let's create one count variable and set the value to 0. Okay, so this is what we are going to return, right? Then after that, calculate the length of array dot length, and then you have to just run 3 loops. Okay, int I is equal to 0, I should be less than n minus 2 I plus plus, right? Why n minus 2? Because here my I is going to run from here, starting from here until here only. Okay, because my j should be there and k should be there, right? So j and k value, they should be greater than this I. Okay, so I is running from here to here only, j is running from here to here only every time. Okay, because j should be greater than I, and k is running from here to here always. Okay, so this is what we need to do, right? And here for int j is going to be, j should be greater than I now, so here I'm going to write I plus 1, and here j is less than n minus 1, and here j plus plus. Now same way inside this, for int k, okay, k should be greater than always j, right? So k is equal to j plus 1 I will do, right? And k should be less than n, and here k plus plus, right? And inside this, just same thing we have to mention, right? Here if, and here inside this, math dot absolute of, right? And here just you have to copy this, okay, paste it here. Okay, it should be less than equal to a, right? And then after that, and operation. Now same way, just copy this, okay, this part, paste it here, and again and paste it. All right, so here array of I minus array of j should be less than equal to a, and here array of j minus array of k less than equal to b. Okay, so just change it, array of j minus array of k, it should be less than equal to b, and here array of I minus array of k, okay, it should be less than equal to c. That's it. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, just increment the count. That's it. And then in the end, your for loop ends here. You have to simply return count. Okay, that's it, right? So now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. We'll try to fix that. All the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this, since we are running 3 loops, so it is going to be of and q. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.